KAPJAGI. KAPJAGI. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study the word KAPJAGI. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 329. KAPJAGI. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is kap, second is ja, and third is gi. Pronounce it with me. KAPJAGI. KAPJAGI. The word KAPJAGI is used to express that something was suddenly, or it is also used to say that was sudden. Again, KAPJAGI is used to say that was sudden. Next, how do we write KAPJAGI in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. So for the first syllable kap, we need to draw first a giap character followed by an a character followed by a biap character. Next, for the second syllable ja, we need to draw first a giat character followed by an a character. And then for the last syllable gi, we need to draw first a giap character followed by an e character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word KAPJAGI. And with that, you've just learned KAPJAGI. Now let's proceed with the previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 319 to 328. But don't forget our word for today, word number 329, KAPJAGI, which means that was sudden. The first word for our review is word number 328, yori, which means cooking. Next word is suda. This is a verb which means to write. Next word is television, which means television or TV. Next word is palta, which means to sell. Next word is kannada, which means to finish or to end. Next word is palayo, which means faster or hurry up. Next word is sangja, which means box. Next word for our review is sonyo, which means not at all or absolutely not. Next word for our review is chonchoni, which means slowly. And the last word for our review is word number 319, 모르겠어, which means I don't know. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.